Hello, today we will review for the Chapter 8 individual test via a Jeopardy game with three contestants, Bug, William, and James Holzhauer. James Holzhauer was one of the all-time high-scoring Jeopardy champion players in the last year here. So those are our three contestants, and we're going to figure out who's going to win. Bug is going to go first. Our categories are complex calculations, polynomials, roots, polyduco, and the rest of the stuff. And we're going to start with polynomials for $1,000. We're supposed to determine if the equation contains a polynomial. If yes, we state the degree, coefficients, and constants term. This is a polynomial. So the degree is 4. Degree is your highest exponent. Coefficients are the numbers in front of the variables from x to the 4th all the way down to x to the 0. So my x to the 4th term has a -3 in front. I don't have an x cubed term, so I'm going to put a 0 placeholder here. I have an x squared, so I take the 2 and put it in front of here. I do not have an x to the first term. That would have been in between these two, so I do another 0 placeholder. And then my x to the 0 term is -5, and that is also my constant term. Remember that the signs always go with the numbers behind them. Just a little review on what is a polynomial and is not a polynomial. If there's an x in the denominator, that is not a polynomial. If there's an x under a square root, that is not a polynomial. And if x is an exponent, that is not a polynomial. I see that the right side got cut off a little bit over here. This is a square root of x plus 5. Basically, I can tell it's not a polynomial because the square root of x. Bug got this question right, so she gets $1,000.